Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Firstly, you need to open Albums app and locate photos that you wish to get rid of. Now hold the chosen one. And to pick multiple right away, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Select All at the top. And to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. To delete the rest, use this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!